Hey guys, so today as I said on my trailer, today we are going to unbox this black+decker heat gun as well as this solimo's hot glue gun. Okay, so let's get started. So let's get started unboxing it. So let's begin. Let me grab the knife and let's start unboxing it. So when you open this box, first thing that you get the heat gun itself. We will just keep it aside, and then instruction manuals, and which I think yes, it is a service centers list, and that's it. It is all in the box. Okay, so service centers list, as you can see, very long list. I can for sure say that nobody would use this. Next up we have got the instruction manual. As you can see, a lot of pages. Oh, it comes in multiple languages, so that's why it must be very long. Now the heat gun itself. So it has a plastic body which you can expect for the rate in which I have bought it. Yeah, and that's it for this heat gun. Now let's start unboxing the glue gun. Now let's start unboxing this glue gun. So let's begin. I did already open it because I don't know if you can see, but these things are very hard to open. So I already opened it so that it doesn't take a lot of time. Here it is the gun itself. You can just take it out just like that. Keep it right up here. Whatever that, and then this stand for the glue gun and instructions. And that's it in the box. It has a white label saying Amazon brands glue gun 70 watts. First of all, the instructions, nothing interesting in that. The piece of paper which is used, it says the Amazon brand Solimo's hot melt glue gun 70 watts. It is in red color, but this red color looks like pink to me. The box also says that it is $8.99, but I did not pay $8.99 for this. I paid around $600 for this, or $5.99. It says that it is made in Thailand. And that's it for this video. If you want to hear a review about these two products, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, as well as like this video, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.